In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country in the Microsoft Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Windows to switch your store region so the apps, games, and prices you see match the country you want. This is helpful if you've moved, are traveling long-term, or need access to content available in a different region. First, open the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That keyboard shortcut takes you straight into Windows settings so you don't have to dig through menus. Next, the path you click depends on your version of Windows. If you're on Windows 11, look at the left sidebar and click Time and Language. On the right side of that page, select Language and Region. If you're on Windows 10, click Time and Language on the main settings screen, and then choose Region from the menu on the left. Both routes take you to the same kind of controls, just arranged a little differently depending on the version. Once you're on the region settings page, look for the option labeled Country or Region. It's usually near the top of the page and easy to spot. This dropdown determines which Microsoft Store catalog your device uses, including local pricing, featured content, and region-specific availability. Open the Country or Region dropdown and choose the new country you want. As soon as you make the selection, Windows will register that change for apps and services that rely on regional settings. Keep in mind, some Microsoft Store items, balances, and subscriptions can be tied to a specific country. Even though you're changing the store region here, your ability to purchase certain items may depend on having a valid payment method for that country. That's normal behavior and helps ensure prices and taxes are handled correctly. To finish up, close and restart the Microsoft Store app so the change takes effect. If the store is already open, click the X to close it. Then open it again from the Start menu. When it relaunches, the storefront should reflect your newly selected country. You'll notice changes like currency symbols, localized promotions, and sometimes different app availability. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment. Occasionally, the store needs a brief refresh to pull in the updated catalog, and that's all you need to do. You open Settings with a quick shortcut, navigated to the region controls for your version of Windows, picked a new country, and restarted the Microsoft Store to apply it. Simple, fast, and effective.